धक्का मुक्की पीछे से हुआ तो हम लोग गिर गए और जितनी भी सारी भीड़ थी सारे हम लोग के ऊपर आ गए। कोई नहीं, कोई प्रशासन नहीं, कोई सुविधा नहीं, कोई सेफ्टी नहीं।
Following the tragic stampede incident at New Delhi railway station on Saturday, the Indian Railways has cancelled 9 trains operating from Delhi, with 1 train's timing also being altered. Out of these, 7 trains travelling to Prayagraj have been cancelled. According to a notification from the Railways, this adjustment has been made due to operational reasons, and the general public is advised to take note of these changes for their convenience. So here's a list of all the trains that have been cancelled. Train number 54213 and 54214, Jaunpur to Fafamau and Fafamau to Jaunpur. Train number 54254 and 54253, Lucknow to Fafamau and Fafamau to Lucknow. Train number 54375 and 54376, Fafamau to Jaunpur and Jaunpur to Fafamau. Train number 14102 and 14101, Kanpur Central to Fafamau, Prayagraj to Kanpur Central. Train number 04254, Ayodhya to Fafamau. Train number 04205, Ayodhya to Fafamau. Train number 04118, Ayodhya to Prayagraj. Train number 14102, Kanpur Central to Prayagraj Sangam. And train number 64567, Bulandshahr to Tilak Bridge. The notification from the railway specifies that the decision to cancel and reschedule the affected trains was made to ensure safety. In response to the stampede situation, Shashikant Tripathi, the Chief Public Relations Officer of North Central Railway, has informed the public about the implementation of a special protocol across the 8 main stations in and around Prayagraj. This protocol aims to manage the flow of passengers effectively, with clear entry and exit points established at each station to prevent cross movement of people. According to Tripathi, the stations have been organized to ensure smoother operations, and additional special trains are being operated to accommodate the large number of passengers. Further, the railways continue to work as per this prescribed protocol to enhance passenger safety and ease of travelling.